What's up, amazing people? Today isn't just another video, it's your blueprint for an incredible 2025. These aren't just random tips, they're game changers that transform my life and can transform yours too. Dr. Tip number 1, the power hour. Every successful person I know has a non-negotiable morning routine. Here's the game changer. Wake up 1 hour earlier than you need to. But wait, don't groan just yet. This isn't torture, it's your secret weapon. My story, I used to be that person hitting snooze 6 times. Now, this 1 hour changed everything. Here's your power hour blueprint. 20 minutes movement, 20 minutes mindfulness, 20 minutes planning. Tip number 2, the identity shift. Stop saying I want to. Start saying I am. Instead of I want to get fit, say I am an athlete in training. Instead of I want to write, say I am a writer. Watch how this tiny language shift rewires your entire brain. So first, tip number 3, the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. No excuses. Make your bed. Send that text. Schedule that appointment. These micro actions build unstoppable momentum. Nocture, tip number 4, the focus blocks. Your phone is killing your dreams. Harsh, but true. Implement focus blocks. 90 minutes of deep work, 0 notifications, complete phone detox. I went from 6 hours of screen time to 2. My productivity exploded. Tip number 5, the gratitude reset. Every night write down 3 wins from today, 3 lessons learned, 3 things you're grateful for. This isn't just feel-good advice, it's science. Gratitude rewires your brain for success. New York, tip number 6, the wealth formula. Pay yourself first, period. 20% of every paycheck goes to savings. Automate it, never touch it. Start small if you need to, but start today. Tip number 7, the energy audit list. Everything you do in a week. Mark each activity. Green, energizes you. Red, drains you. Your mission? More green, less red. Simple but revolutionary. Good. Tip number 8, the connection challenge. Quality relationships are everything. Each week, reach out to one old friend, have one deep conversation, join one new community. Lonely success isn't success at all. Tip number 9, the skills stack. Learn one new skill every quarter, not year, quarter. Start with public speaking, digital marketing, financial literacy. Done. Tip number 10, the legacy question. Every morning ask yourself, what would the best version of me do today? Then be that person. No excuses. Your action plan. 1. Screenshot these tips. 2. Pick one to start tomorrow. 3. Join our community link below. 4. Share your commitment in the comments. Remember, success leaves clues. You've got the blueprint. Now it's time for action. If this resonated with you, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Turn on notifications because we're dropping gems like this every week. Join our exclusive community. Link in the description. 2025 is your year. I believe in you. Now go make it happen.